Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with CoStar for market research, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with CoStar for market research, start by visiting the CoStar website. Once there, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to be redirected to the authentication page. Here, you will see fields prompting you to enter your username and password. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring there are no typos. If you are part of an organization, select the appropriate option for corporate users if prompted. For new users, look for the sign up or registration link to create an account. Fill out the necessary details, including your email, name, and company information. After completing the registration form, submit it to receive a confirmation email. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message from CoStar. Follow the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the login page to enter your credentials again. If you forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After logging in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available tools. Explore the market research features by navigating through the menu options. Utilize the search bar to find specific data relevant to your market research. Bookmark important pages for easy access in future sessions. Remember to log out after your session to keep your account secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.